Have you ever faced a situation where your code works perfectly in one environment, but fails in another? It's frustrating, isn't it? If you've ever wondered how to mock a time zone for your unit tests, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to explore how to tackle time zone issues in your Azure server tests. I completely understand your concern. Running tests in different time zones can lead to unexpected results, especially when dealing with date and time conversions. You're definitely not alone in this. Many developers encounter similar challenges. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user asked how to fake the time zone for their unit tests, particularly when their code works on a UK server, but not on an East US Azure server. They want to ensure that datetime.now reflects the East US time instead of the UK time. Sound familiar? Let's find a solution together. So why does this happen? Time zone discrepancies can lead to incorrect date and time calculations, especially when converting to UTC. Understanding how to manipulate time zones in your tests is crucial for accurate results. And stick around. I have a powerful tip at the end that will help you streamline your testing process and avoid time zone headaches in the future. To begin addressing the user's issue, we need to mock the time zone for our unit tests. The first step is to install a library that allows us to manipulate time zones easily. Next, the user should set up their test environment to use the desired time zone. This can be done by configuring the library to use Eastern Standard Time for the tests. Now, the user can write their unit tests to verify that the date conversion works correctly in the mock time zone. This involves creating a test case that checks the output of the date conversion. Finally, the user should run their tests to ensure that everything is functioning as expected. This will confirm that the date conversion behaves correctly in the mock time zone. Fun fact, did you know that the concept of time zones was first proposed by Sir Sandford Fleming in the late 19th century? Before that, time was determined by local solar time, which made scheduling trains quite a challenge. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution involves creating a class called Fake Local Time Zone. This class allows you to mock the local time zone for your unit tests. It captures the actual local time zone and sets it to a specified time zone, like East US. When the test is done, it restores the original time zone. That's all for that response. Let's see what someone else had to say. One alternative approach involves creating a class called Local Time Zone Info Mocker. This class allows you to mock the local time zone by manipulating the cached time zone data. In the constructor, you set the desired time zone, and in the dispose method, you clear the cached data to ensure the changes take effect. That wraps up that answer. Let's move on to another one. One alternative solution is to use a NuGet library called Fake Local Time Zone. This library allows you to mock the local time zone in your unit tests, making it easier to test date and time functionality across different time zones. To use it, you can wrap your code in a using statement specifying the desired time zone. For example, setting it to UTC plus 12 hours allows you to assert that the local time matches your expectations. Here's the tip I promised. Always use a consistent method for handling dates and times in your applications. This will save you from future headaches and ensure your code runs smoothly across different environments. And there you have it. You now have the tools to effectively mock time zones in your unit tests. Remember, consistency is key. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and don't miss our next video where we tackle another common coding challenge.